we have done that oxygen is supporter of combustion. So we need to prove this thing. Because this is the science, we need to prove also. So we need to see how oxygen is going to support the combustion, or how we can say that oxygen is the supporter of combustion. So we have done an experiment over here which is given in the NCERT book to show that air is essential for burning. So we have performed an activity to show that air is, or air, I have already told you guys, if air is there in any of the reaction, it means we are talking about oxygen. That is oxygen. Whensoever it is told to you this particular thing is undergoing the reaction in the presence of air, it means air is oxygen there. Fine. So now we are going to show that air means oxygen is essential for burning, because we have done oxygen is the supporter of combustion. So how it is undergoing this thing? So you have seen here a candle is placed on a table. When we are placing a burning candle on a table, हम उसको fix करेंगे. We have fixed that over there, and afterward we are going to put a jar on that, glass jar or a gas jar we are putting on that. Afterward, what is happening after putting that gas jar? This particular candle is extinguished. This burning candle is extinguished. ये बुझ के ही हमें दिख रहा है. But very fast, I am like drawing here. This is a candle. This is the burning candle. This is what? Burning candle. You guys can see burning candle is here. If I am going to put, this is I am fixing on the table. If I am going to put a gas jar over it, this is the gas jar. So when I have put this gas jar over this burning candle, very beginning, even with the frequent second, this is not going to be extinguished. This is not, if ऐसा नहीं हो रहा कि I'm just putting it और ये क्या हो रही है, extinguished हो रही है. It is burning. You can see burning candle in the jar also you can see. So we know that in the jar, jar is empty in sense, if we can say हम उसमें हाथ घुमा सकते हैं. But we know that उसमें क्या है, air is there. Because air is all around us, तो air क्या है, उस jar में भी है. So when very beginning we are putting that particular jar on that candle is not going to extinguish. That will be burning only. After some time, you can see in second image, this particular image will be like this. This is the gas jar, for example. I am closing it from here. So this is the candle. So this is but extinguished one. Candle is extinguished. Extinguished is वो बुझ गई है, ठीक है? Extinguished हो गया. Why? Because the amount of oxygen which is present in that gas jar or that particular glass jar has been taken by that particular candle for burning. और जब वो candle के जो jar था, when the supply of oxygen is finished from this jar only, then it will be extinguished. When oxygen present in the jar is also used by the candle for burning, then it is extinguished. Before, in the very first step, very beginning, when we know that we are keeping that particular jar, if we are putting on that burning candle, so we are going to cut off the supply of air from the surroundings. यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? We are cutting off the supply, cutting off air. And cutting off air from the surrounding means we are not going to supply the oxygen. Fine, because oxygen is also present in gas jar. For example, मेरे पास ये gas jar है. Fine, any utensil. For example, you guys have observed that when we are going to taking bath, so when we are taking out cup, we are putting that cup into the bucket for taking out water. So some bubbles will be coming out from that part of time. जब पानी निकाल रहे हैं हम बाल्टी से नहाने के लिए, तो तब क्या होता है, जब कप को हम उल्टा करते हैं तो bubbles liberate out होते हैं. It means वो क्या show करता है हमें? That activity you can observe this thing also. Now next time when you guys are going for that taking your bath, you guys need to observe this thing. जब भी आप कप डालोगे बकेट में तो बबल्स आएंगे बाहर. क्यों? क्योंकि कप में क्या था, एयर फिलअप था पहले, तो एयर को रिप्लेस करके क्या जा रहा है, उसमें वाटर जा रहा है. ठीक है, इसमें क्या रहता है बेटा, एयर रहता है. When we are going to put water in it, फाइन। तो वाटर क्या कर रहा है, रिप्लेस कर रहे हैं ना एयर को, तो एयर क्या करेगी, इन द फॉर्म ऑफ बबल बाहर आएगी। सो विच शोज दैट कोई भी एम्प्टी चीज है इन आवर सराउंडिंग दैट इज हैविंग एयर इन दैट। तो सेम थिंग गैस जार में क्या था, उसमें भी एयर था। तो जब हमने वेरी फर्स्ट में उसको गैस जार को वी हैव पुट ऑन दैट कैंडल, कैंडल इज नॉट extinguished. After some time that is extinguished, which shows that the oxygen is very important for the burning, because the oxygen which is also used by the candle from the gas jar, afterward it is extinguished. You can see in the image, third में it is completely, first में उसमें, second में you can see थोड़ा सा smoke you can see, fine, because after some time putting the gas jar that candle is extinguished. Afterward again थोड़ा थोड़ा उसमें क्या धुआं निकल रहा है, smoke is also because of combustion. After some time वो पूरा क्या हो गया, बंद हो गया। क्यों? Because all the oxygen supply is cut off from that candle. This activity shows that oxygen is very important for burning, and oxygen is the supporter of combustion.